Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a birthday video in Canva. And yep, this is actually quite simple. We're going to head over here in Canva home and we're just going to go ahead and click the video here. And then from here, you can go ahead and type birthday. Alright, so now that we are here, we have different kinds of video presentations that we can do. We can do it in landscape. We can do it in Instagram posts, 4:5 ratio. And yeah, go ahead and choose whatever you want. In our case, we're gonna head over and use this one right here. And the moment you come up here, you should be able to see here templates. Go ahead and scroll down, and there are different options of videos that you can use here. So I'll go ahead and choose, say, this one for example. All right, and then you can see that now it has been chosen. So that video is now here. This is how it looks. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to include like some image? Say, for example, you want to include the image right down here. We can actually just move this one. Let's put it at the top just like so, and then let's go ahead and click the elements here. Now we can go ahead and click the frame or search for frame, click see all, and then choose what kind of frame you think would fit here. Say for example this one, I'm gonna go ahead and put a circle here. Let's go ahead and try to resize this, and there you go. Now from this point forward, I'm gonna go ahead and add some image. So I can do that by clicking the elements here. Oops, uploads rather. And then my case, I have image here, but if I want to upload something, go ahead and click upload files, and then you'll have to locate that one. So I'm just gonna choose this one right here, put it there, and then yeah, you can go ahead and resize that one. Of course, this is just an example. You can definitely go ahead and choose which one you think would fit best for you. But yeah, that's something that you can do. Go ahead and try to make it pretty. Add border here. You can change border color, say that for example. And if you want to, if say for example this one you think is quite limited in element, go ahead and click this one, and then we can go ahead and try to look for, say, balloons here, and click graphics and find something that you think would fit here. So say for example this one. Again, let's just assume that this is an image that, or this is a guy right here. Oops, sorry for that. All right, I'm gonna put it there. I can resize this, make this smaller. All right, there you go. And then from here, you can go ahead and play it. All right, something like that. So yeah, that's how you're going to make a birthday video in Canva.